Hello everyone, this is GrowWeb. Today I'm very excited because we have replaced our servo motor by the brushless servo motor. We have received this upgrade kit that allowed me to replace the old servo motor with like the old way, the old AxiDraw structure here, by this new servo motor. It's much faster, it's much more noisy, as you may have heard at the beginning of this video. Anyway, I will have in this video a comparison side by side of the same plot done with the two with before and after the upgrade, and you can have an idea of what's the difference about these two. And just like right now, I think I can show you a small clip of what it looks like in action and what the noise it does, and then we'll have this video, this side by side comparison. All right, see you later. And yeah, this was streamed on Twitch today, and see you there. Bye. Oh my god. Super fast. Maybe I should have upgraded my installation downstairs, because this is my A1 plotter, and I think I should have. So that's it, folks. I hope you enjoy this video, this small comparison. It's only the first day today that I test my new upgrade, so I cannot really do a full comparison and a full feedback on everything, but it sounds very promising. It's definitely worth the money. We have done two different plots which looks exactly the same. One of the plot is a bit darker because I think the new upgrade was not calibrated exactly at the same height, but overall we just have a plot that is about 20% faster, something like that. I don't remember exactly the timing, but you have seen in this video. It's much faster, probably less maintenance because we will not have to change the servo motor too often. Like for heavy use, plotting purpose, that makes a lot of sense for me. So on my desk here, you can see, by the way, with this first-person camera that it still works properly. And well, I think it makes a lot of sense for this plotter that I use a lot. Versus my A1 plotter in the basement, I don't think I will upgrade it after all, because I don't need fast plot. I mean, I don't use it too often. I don't use it that often, so I don't replace that many times the old servo motor, and I also won't bother having very, very long plot. But I think if you do a lot of plots, it's definitely worth it to have like faster plot, and yeah. In the future, on Twitch, I will use that setup, so you can come back later and ask me what's my latest feedback, or like see it in action, as we can see it here right now. All right, see you, and yeah, stay if you want to see another time lapse of this whole setup.